Hello, hi, my dear students. How are you? How is your studies going on? Myself, Desai sir, your mental maths trainer. Dear students, I am here with another topic 4.4 multiplication of other bases, higher bases 200, 250, 500, 1000. It's a very interesting topic, my dear students. Let us recall. In 4.3 class, we studied base methods of multiplication. I hope you enjoyed and understood base methods clearly. Practice these methods, it will improve your multiplication speed. After good practice, you can even race with the calculator. In this basic class 4.4, we are extending base method of multiplication to use higher bases like 200, 250, 500 and 1000. Let us start one by one.
Attend quiz on topic 4, multiplication at wedens.com.
Case 1. Multiplication of numbers using working base 200. We learnt rules in the last topic, working base. In normal method, numbers are multiplied from right to left as usual. Using school methods, you can get the product of these numbers. Example, 212 into 206 is 43672. 198 into 185 is a 36630. 215 into 118 comes out to be 40635. The product of 217, 197 is 42749. Let us see how quickly you can calculate using the base 200. Observe the first problem. 212 into 206. 212 is exceeding 200 by 12 and 206 is exceeding 200 by 6. And apply the rule, cross add, you get 212, 6 is 218, multiply with the base, 218 into 200 is a 43600, 43,600. Now multiply the exceeding numbers, 12 6 are 72, 43,600 plus 72, 43,672. Let us see next example. 198 into 185. 198 is the deficit of 200 by minus 2. 185 is the deficit of 200 by 15. Therefore, they are written in the circles below. Now cross subtract. 198 minus 15 is 183. Multiply with the base 200. You get 36,600. Now multiply the deficit numbers. Minus 2 minus 15 is 30. The answer will be 36,630. Take the next example. 215 into 189. 215 is above 200 by 15 and 189 is below 200 by minus 11. The exceeding numbers and deficit numbers are 15 and minus 11 respectively. Now you cross subtract 215 minus 11 is 204. Multiply it with the base 200. You get 40800. Now multiply exceeding number plus 15, deficit number minus 11, you get 165. Subtract 40,800 minus 165. You can use compensation rule. 40,800 minus 200 will be 40,600. As 35 to 8, compensation rule 40,635. Similarly, take next example. 217 into 197. 217 is exceeding 200 by plus 17. Deficit number is minus 3 to 200. Now cross add 217 minus 3 is 214. Multiply with the base, working base 200. You get 42,800. Now exceeding number and deficit numbers are multiplied. Plus 17 minus 3 is minus 51. Subtract 51 from 42,800. Subtract 50. You get 42,750. Subtract 1. You get 42,749. Try these problems, my dear students. If you are perfect, then move on to the next base, that is 250. Case 2. Multiplication of numbers using working base 250. Let us take the example as usual. In normal method, right to left, use school methods and get the product first. 235 into 247 is 58,045. 249 into 246 is 61,254. 261 into 240 is 63,945. 275 into 256 is 70,400. Let us see mind maths method, base 250. 235 and 247 into 247. 235 is the deficit of 250 by minus 15. 247 is deficit of 250 by minus 3. Cross add, you get 235 minus 3, 232. See, 250 can be written as 1000 upon 4. Submultiple 1000 upon 4 is 250. It is convenient to multiply. First of all, multiply 232 by 4. Divide it. You get 4 5s are 20. 4 8s are 32. Put 3 zeros, 58,000. Now multiply the deficit numbers, minus into minus is plus, 15 3s are 45, 58,045, 58,045. Answer is correct. Similarly, 249 into 246. And deficit number 249 is the deficit of 250 by minus 1, 246 deficit number is minus 4. Cross add, you get 249 minus 4, 245. Multiply it with 1000 upon 4, you get 61,250. Multiply the deficit numbers, minus 1 minus 4 is plus 4. Answer will be 61,254. Let us see next example. 261 into 245. 261 is above 250 by 11. 245 is below 250 by minus 5. Now cross add 261 minus 5 is 256. Multiply it by 1000 by 4 instead of 250. You get and divide by 4, you get 4 6 are 24. You are left with 1. 4 4s are 16, 64,000. Multiply exceeding number and deficit number. Plus 11 minus 5 is minus 55. Subtract 64,000 minus 50 will be 63,950, and subtract 50 you will get 63,945. Similarly, 275 into 256. 275 is exceeding 250 by 20 plus 25. 256 by plus 6. Cross add, you get 281. Multiply by 1000 by 4, you get 70,250. Now multiply exceeding numbers, 25 6 are 150. Add it, you will get 70,400. Try these problems, my dear students. Verify your answer. If you are perfect, then move on to the next level, next base, that is 500. Case 3. Multiplication of numbers using working base 500. Here you will get still bigger numbers. We'll take examples as usual in normal method, right to left. Using school methods, you multiply. It takes lot of time. Okay. 532 into 472 comes out to be 251104. 505 into 499 will be 251995. 385 into 512 is 197120. 475 into 492 is 233700. It's a lengthier procedure. Let us see how quickly you can get it by using mind maths. The base is 100. 532 is exceeding 100 by 32. 472 deficit of 500 by minus 28. Cross add 532 minus 28 is 504. Now, instead of writing 500, you can write 1000 upon 2. You get here 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. 2,52,000. Now the problem is to multiply 32 and 28. So these are bigger numbers. You can use the distributive property given here. 32 into 28. 28 can be written as 30 minus 2. Multiply 32 into 3 is 96. 960 minus 32 2s are 64. 960 subtract 60. You get 900. Subtract 4. You get 896. Now from the above, 2,52,000 minus 896 comes out to be 25,1104. 505 into 499. 505 is exceeding 500 by plus 5. 499 deficit of 500 by minus 1. Cross add, you get 504. The 1000 by 2 will be 252,000. Now cross multiply the exceeding number with the deficit number. Plus 5 minus 1 will be minus 5. And 252,000 minus 5 will be 25,1995. Move on to the next one. 385 into 512. 385 is the deficit of 500 by minus 115. 512 is exceeding 500 by 12. Now cross add. 385 12 will be 397. Multiply by 1000 by 2 to multiply by 100. You get 198500. Now 115 and 12 are bigger numbers. What to do? 115 and 12. Write 12 as 10 plus 2. Use distributive property. 115 into 10 easy. 1150. 115 into 2 is 230. Add them. 1380. Now you have to subtract 1380 from 198,500. 198,500 subtract 1400 plus, you get 197,100 plus add 20, you get 197120. Next, 475 into 492. 475 is a deficit of 100 by minus 25. 492 by minus 8. Cross add, you get 467. Divide by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are. You get 233500. And multiply the deficit numbers. Minus 25 minus 8 will be 200. On adding, you get 233,700. Try these problems, my dear students. Verify your answers. If you are perfect, then move on to the last one, multiplication of numbers using working base 1000. Let us take the examples as usual. Multiplication from right to left, it takes a lot of time. Let us multiply. 1080 into 980 is 1058400. 1025 into 1005 is 1030125. 975 into 985 will be 960375. 997 into 1003 is 999991. Let us start. How easily you can get it. Base is 1000 this time. 1080 into 980. 1080 is above 1000 by 80. 980 is below 1000 by 20. Deficit number is minus 20. Exceeding number is plus 80. Cross add. You get 1060 into 1000 will be 1060,000. Then exceeding number and deficit numbers are multiplied. You get 8 2s are 1600. 106 0000 1600. You subtract, you get 105 8400. Similarly, 1025 into 1005. Here 1025 is exceeding 1000 by plus 25 and 1005 is exceeding 1000 by plus 5. Cross add, you get 1030, multiply by 1000, the base, you get 1030,000. And exceeding numbers multiplied, 25 into 5 is 125. Add them, you get 103,125. Similarly, 975 into 985. 975 is deficit of 1000 by minus 25. 985 by minus 15. Cross add, you get 960 into 1000 will be 960,000. 25 and 15 on multiplying, you get 375. Add them, 960,375. Last one in it, 997 into 1003. 997 is deficit of 1000 by minus 3. 1003 is exceeding 1000 by plus 3. Cross add, you get 1000 into 1000 will be 100,000. You can observe the algebraic rule we are using in all these base methods is this. X plus a into x plus b, you know, factor multiplication in algebra, it is given by x into x plus a plus b plus ab. Suppose that you take 13 into 14. Here x will be the base. Exceeding number is plus 3. 10 plus 3 into 10 plus 4. Use the rule. 10 into 10 plus 3 plus 4. A plus b. A is 3 here, b is 4. You get 17. 17 times 170 plus 12 will be 182. Try these problems, my dear students. Verify your answer. I hope you enjoyed this particular topic, multiplication by base methods. All bases are taught. Now you can start practicing. You can improve your speed like anything shortly. You practice it. Soon I will come with the next very important and interesting chapters. Till then, read well, study well, do homework, sleep well, do exercise, keep your mind and body fit. Soon I will come with next chapter. Till then, bye bye. See you.